Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Carfix, and I wanted to share a quick tip with you on how to take stickers off of your car much more easily. This is my daughter's car. This is a 2013 convertible Beetle, and for some reason she used to get a lot of road rage with this car. So I put a couple of stickers on the car to try to act as a deterrent for road rage. But then she was really displeased with the stickers in school. She doesn't want it anymore, so I'm going to take it off. And I just wanted to share with you. The tip is, instead of just yanking the stickers off, this can be on the body, it can be on a plastic bumper or a plastic part, or even on the glass, and leaving the majority of the glue on the surface. You should just use either a heat gun. If you don't have, this is an inexpensive heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer and heat the surface so that glue is really gonna start to come off, and most of it will come off with the sticker, and it's gonna make your life a lot easier to just remove a sticker rather than just pulling it cold. So let's do this. Let's get this done. This is a heat gun. A heat gun is a lot more powerful than a hair dryer, obviously. So you want to make sure that you don't get too close to the glass, and you just want to move around the sticker and really warm it up. You don't want to concentrate on a single spot and risk, damaging the glass or breaking the glass. So you want to make sure you heat the surface as evenly as possible. Just going around and heating it up. Yep, this is hot. All right, so let me try to start peeling it off. Okay, well, this is coming off really easy. Look. It's really hot. Well, it did leave some glue. Then we're gonna get a citrus degreaser and try to get this rest off later. But it did come off a lot easier. So let me try to do this on the other sticker. I don't see anything wrong with this sticker, but my 17-year-old daughter doesn't like it, so I'm getting it off. Check it out. I think it's sufficiently hot. All right, let's try it out. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. Okay, this is really good. There's a lot of satisfaction in this. And again, be careful with the surface, with the glass surface, because it is going to be hot, and some of that heat is transferred to the razor blade. So just be careful, do it carefully, and ideally you could get a glove and try to do this. Maybe that's a better result, but here you go. Managed to get it off. So with the remaining glue residue, what you want to do is you want to get some sort of citrus degreaser. This is a heavy duty citrus degreaser, it's really good. And a microfiber towel. Make sure it's a microfiber towel. You don't use just any towel and risk just scratching the glass or scratching your car's surface. And you just spray it like that. You soak it a little bit. It's gonna soak it, and you leave it there for just a few seconds. You can start rubbing it off, and what's gonna do, it's gonna get the remaining glue residue off. All right. Okay, we'll clean the glass and check it out. Okay, there you go. So after a little bit of heating, some razor blade, and some cleaning, you got the stickers off. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.